Hello, this is Ellie Richards for my CTP Project, Procedural Trees using Environmental Variables. Shown here is the map editor first produced, with a series of sliders and drop-down boxes reflecting these variables. Shown here, I'm selecting a medium amount for each variable and putting these trees in the top left corner. By making changes to both the wind direction and the light direction, we can change the way the branches are influenced in the way they bend towards the light or away from the wind. I've sped up the process here of assigning different variables to each tile, with extreme values, medium values and low values all being given different areas. By pressing spacebar, you can then spawn a number of trees onto your terrain. These trees are placed using a ray casting technique, which sends a ray down from a high point and checks with a collision with any below terrain. A tree is then randomly placed in one position within its grid section, corresponding to any variables that the user has assigned. For example, the tree shown bending to the right here has been affected by wind coming from the east. A much more dramatic effect can be seen in trees such as this, where all the variables were sent to an extremely high value. This affects the distress, and ultimately the randomness in which the branches vectors are placed, resulting in this tangle of branches shown here, which while extreme is representative of some trees found in the real world. By zooming out, we can see the variety of trees in the environment, from extremely distressed, curved round, these straight branches shown here. If we then look in the inspector, you can see the hierarchy of branches. These trees were structured in a way that was easy to manage, and these branches form accordingly, with each being apparent to its host. The construction of the tree is apparent here, where the green lines show line positioning that could be extracted to utilise a full 3D mesh for these trees.